Gold investor sentiment fell in January versus December. Here to talk about that with us today is Miguel Perez-Santalla, as always, from BullionVault. Miguel, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
We saw your gold investor index drop to 51.9 from 52.9 in December. Why did we see a drop when gold prices actually rose in January?
Well, remember, the investment public is usually a laggard, but there's also, it's January. What's that mean? That means people are starting to get their W-2s, they're waiting their returns, they're waiting to see what's going to happen, and they're waiting to assess the situation. So they're holding back. And of course, because of the drop last year, we're also following the pattern. So there's less people as interested, and at the same time, that effect of preparation of your finances is coming into play. So we see a little bit of that going on.
So do you think that we are going to see a turnaround? I mean, we've seen now this number continue to drop for the past few months. I mean, an 18-month low. Does this suggest further pullback in the sentiment of gold?
Well, the public sentiment, I think, may remain around this level, okay, but it may start to rise because of the recent changes in the global economy. You're hearing a lot about the emerging markets, what's going on there, how's it going to affect the global economy, and how will that affect us in turn? Because remember, people have to buy our goods. So if our customers aren't doing well, how are they going to buy the goods we make or the services we offer? Right? So people will be concerned, they'll be paying attention to this, and so maybe we may see an uptick in February.
Okay, and final question here, looking into the second quarter, through the first quarter, midway through this year, where do you see gold prices? Are we headed higher? Are we going to stay right at about this level?
I think right now we're stuck in a range, but it's very possible that we could pop over 1,300 within this quarter.
Miguel, as always, thanks so much for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
For TheStreet, I'm Deaux.